Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to rysonsspraybooth, and in this video I will tell you 3 reasons why you are afraid to tackle a dent on your vehicle by yourself. So let's get the video started. Reason number 1 is you are afraid that you might mess that dent out more. Yes guys, when you see a dent on your car, you are afraid to touch it because you are afraid that you might mess it up more. So because of that fear, you end up not touching that dent. So that was reason number 1. Moving on to reason number 2. And reason number 2 is in the past you tried taking out a dent by watching a YouTube video and you really messed it up because the knowledge that you get on YouTube is not a structured knowledge. It is a one video based knowledge. So once you reach at a certain point, you don't know what is the next step. Even to search what is the next step, you should know the next step in the first place, and there you are trapped. And because you messed that dent in the past, that fear comes inside of you, and because of that fear you are now afraid to take any dent out. And that is the second reason why you don't tackle the dent by yourself. Moving on to third reason, and the third reason is you don't have proper knowledge. Yes guys, you don't have proper knowledge to take a dent out, and that is the reason why you are afraid to tackle that dent and you end up staying away from it. Now you must be thinking where you will get the proper knowledge. So that is the reason why I am here guys. So if you want to learn autobody and painting seriously, and if you are not afraid to dirty your hands, then I put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself and start learning autobody and painting step by step. And if you by chance mess up somewhere, then you need not worry because I am there to help you in your bad times. You can ask me anything regarding autobody and painting and I will guide you the exact steps which will take you out from that mess. Having said that, our community is growing and I want to grow my community to 1 million people. So if you want to be a part of it, then I invite you to get yourself enrolled in the course. So if this video was useful to you, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.